Yeah, they're fighting.
Well, I think with us separating them, they think that he thinks he's the...
Look at nose to nose.
But they'll be all right in a minute. Patrick doesn't want any part of it, neither does Cinderella. It seems that way.
So everybody's got a girl.
Lumi's pretty, isn't he, Sandra?
Mm-hmm.
He's different.
His eyes are different.
And those horses, they were beautiful.
Big, aren't they? Really big.
And the donkey did eat a carrot out of my hand.
That's what Matthew said. She had said she could never get her to... Look at that. Now, I hadn't seen Cookie interact with any of them until now.
Look at Bonaparte.
He's so pretty. He looks like a, you know, those little statues of the horses you buy.
Well, I told Matt, I said, he
figurine.
looks like a horse, a regular-sized horse just shrunk down. Where
And
the others are, you know, rounder.
yeah, and this one, Melanie, she thought